Jai Hind, dear students. I welcome you all in my geography class. Today, I will be discussing the question answers of chapter 1 Environment. So, let's start. First question: what is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a system in which the biotic as well as abiotic component of the environment they interact with each other, and they all are linked by transfer of energy and material. So this is the answer for ecosystem. Second question: what do you mean by natural environment? Natural environment, it consists of land, water, air, plants and animal. So all the biotic and the abiotic condition that exist on the earth, they are part of natural environment. Third question: which are the major component of environment? Very important question. The major component of environment. You have to see this diagram for this. Okay, here the, the major component of environment are natural, human and human made. Natural, human and human made. Next question. So what's the next question? Okay. Give four example of human made environment. You have to give the examples in your surrounding. What are the things which are made by the humans? Building, park, bridges, road, monuments, vehicles, all these are human made environment. Fifth question: what is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth's surface. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by thin layer of soil. Next, sixth question: which are the two major component of biotic environment? Plants and animal are the two major component of biotic environments. Plants and animal. Next question: what is biosphere? Very important question. What is biosphere? Biosphere is a narrow zone where the hydrosphere, atmosphere, and lithosphere meet and life exists. This is known as biosphere. So, biosphere is a narrow zone where hydrosphere, atmosphere, and lithosphere meet and life exists. Coming to the next question: take the correct answer. Which is not a natural ecosystem? So you know that desert and forest, these are coming in natural ecosystem, but aquarium is a artificial ecosystem. So the answer will be aquarium. Second, which is not a component of human environment? So the component of human environment, religion and community, they are the part of human environment, but land is not a part of or component of human environment. Okay, land, it is part of natural environment. Okay, so the answer will be land. Third question: which is a human made environment? In this, you know that mountain and sea, these are natural environment, but here road is made by human, so answer will be road. Fourth question: what is a threat to environment? Okay, so the answer is growing population. Okay, why growing population is threat to environment? Because if this population it keeps on growing, then lot of resources will be consumed by the human and stress will come on the environment. Okay, match the following. biosphere, narrow zone where land, water, and air interact. Okay, for biosphere, narrow zone where land, water, and air interact. Atmosphere, blanket of air which surrounds the air. Hydrosphere, domain of water. Domain means the area of water. And environment, our surroundings. Okay, now next one, give reasons. Man modify his environment. Now, why do man or human they modify the environment? Man modifies his environment to fulfill his needs and make his life comfortable. Second one, plants and animal depend on each other. What is the reason for that? Why plants and animal they depend on each other? Plants and animal depend on each other for their requirements. Plant release oxygen that animal breathe and absorb carbon dioxide that animal release. Okay, so both they are interdependent on each other. So dear students, today we have discussed the question answers. You all have to write the answers in your copy. Thank you and Jai Hind.